I did mention at the start that Ida Waringa will come to us at some point in this half hour from the Kasarani Stadium, where the World Athletics Continental Tour Gold Series event, the ABSA Kip Keino Classic, got underway earlier this afternoon with some national events. This afternoon, we get to watch international stars and Olympians in action. Among them, 3,000-meter steeplechase champ Soufiane El Bakkali and sprinter Justin Gatlin. Our reporter Ida Waringa is at the Moi International Sports Center, that is Kasarani, and she brings us up to date. Ida, why should we be boasting about hosting this event?
Thanks for the first attempt. The javelin main.
Well, to be honest, I can barely hear you. Lots of noise, lots of action. Although the real action is about to start here at the Moi International Sports Center in Kasarani. As you rightly put it, it is the ABSA Kip Keino Classic. Interestingly enough, there are a couple of fans in this stadium, definitely adding to the pizzazz, definitely adding just to the energy and the ambience here at Kasarani. The ABSA Kip Keino Classic is all about a one-day meet, attracting over 250 global athletes right here in the capital city of Kenya. When we talk about global athletes, trust me when I tell you, top-tier, premium, stellar athletes. We have the likes of Ferdinand Omanyala, national record holder in the 100 meters, who will be taking part today. There was the opening ceremony about, what, maybe 35, 40 minutes ago. They did make their way around the stadium. We're talking the likes of Omanyala, has had a stellar season. First Kenyan man, beg your pardon, to run a sub-10. So for all the viewers out there who might not be athletics inclined, that just means running 100 meters in under 10 seconds. This is the same guy who's just taken part in his first Diamond League meeting. Absolutely amazing. First Kenyan man to also take part and actually reach the Olympic semi-finals in the 100 meters. Omanyala has seen himself running up against his boyhood heroes, you know, people that he only saw on TV, people that he dreamed about, and then now he's sharing the same track with them right by in the next lane. So Ferdinand Omanyala there will be taking part. It is the last core event right here. It will be at around 6 p.m. It will be the culmination indeed of the ABSA Kip Keino Classic. Looking at other global superstars, we're looking at the likes of double Olympic champion Faith Kipyegon. What else can we say about this amazing superstar? So important to the history of Kenyan athletics. Successfully defended, as many say. I will say the gold medal in the Olympics 1500 meters that was recently at the Tokyo Games. Faith Kipyegon taking part in the Diamond League circuit as well in the 1500 meters. As we were just, mentioning earlier, she definitely has become the kryptonite to Sifan Hassan's superpowers seemingly on the track. It is an amazing day right here at the Kasarani Stadium. And indeed, so many other global superstars, the likes of Justin Gatlin, Olympic gold medalist, multiple world champion right here in Nairobi. And indeed, it is a culmination not just of the athletics season, but indeed for many of these athletes. They will be taking a break after this for a couple of weeks. I remember yesterday at the presser, the likes of Ferdinand Omanyala saying that, look, after this, for the next couple of weeks, he just wants to give it a rest because it has been intense. When you talk about and think about the traveling involved, the nutrition elements, the training, the jet lag from Tokyo to Europe to Kenya to the States, it really, really is quite intensive. I will be talking to ABSA CEO Jeremy Awori, who is just about to join me on set right here. Of course, ABSA, the main title sponsor of the ABSA Kip Keino Classic. ABSA injecting 20 million shillings into this one-day event right here at the Kasarani Stadium. And other than that, there will also be, I will say, goodies, if you can, for the Kenyan athletes who will manage to win their races. So just to take you through again exactly what the ABSA Kip Keino Classic is all about. It's part of the World Athletics Gold Tour. And exactly what the Continental Tour is all about. It is the second level or the second tier of World Athletics circuit events, of course, globally. So when we talk about the Diamond League, right next is the Continental Tour. And Kenya, Nairobi, fortunately, is part of the Gold Tour of these events. It is the final Gold Tour of the season. We're talking 12 events in this particular series. Started earlier on in the year in Eugene, in the United States, concluding right here in Nairobi with the World Athletics Continental Gold Tour. I am joined on set by Mr. Jeremy Awori. As you can see, the height difference is no joke, but welcome on set. Welcome to Kasarani Stadium. Tell us exactly what does the ABSA Cape Kano Classic mean to you?
I think we're really excited because this is the first or the main World Athletics Continental Tour gold event in Africa. So we're excited, especially after hosting the Under-20 IAAF meet recently, and we've obviously come off the Olympics. So being able to bring top world-class athletes here to Kenya, we're proud to host this. So we were really proud to be a platinum sponsor here for this event.
Absolutely, and there have been so many events in the course of this week. We've definitely seen each other in the course of the last week at All Sereni, between Kasarani, so many. But for the viewers watching who might not necessarily know exactly what ABSA has done for this competition, give us a bit more insight.
Yeah, so ABSA came in as the title sponsor. And we're contributing in the region of about 20 million shillings, and that goes towards just helping this event, you know, be hosted. And then we're also trying to support the athletes. We've given them potentially a token. If any of our Kenyan athletes win, we'll give them some money, we'll give them an account, we'll give them some financial planning. But why ABSA is really excited about being part of such events is we're very passionate about sports, because we believe sports brings people together. You know, we forget about our differences. We worry about just watching top-class athletics. Our purpose as a bank is to bring possibilities to life. And we've got many young athletes here participating against those seasoned athletes. We've got Justin Gatling, we've got Omanyala. Those are two examples of a very experienced person and somebody starting out their career. We've got Faith Kipyegon, Trayvon Bromell. We've got a number of really top-class athletes. So for us, participating here is an opportunity for us to show our support for the community, for our athletes, and to also showcase Kenya. I mean, look at this stadium. It's fabulous, isn't it?
And indeed, one final question to you, quickly, because I am being rushed by my director. What can we expect from ABSA in the future to do with Kenyan sports?
I mean, we're very committed to sports. You've seen our commitment to the golf in the past. We're looking forward to further partnerships like with Athletics Kenya, Sports Kenya, and the Ministry of Sports. Right. So I think watch this space. We're looking for creative opportunities that can promote Kenya and support athletes in the process.
Fantastic. Mr. Jeremy Awori there, ABSA CEO. We will be bringing you all the action live and direct right here on NTV for the ABSA Cape Kano Classic.